setting up here. Got our new zone. But our little friend the manatee is back. Oh look, there's Hiram. There we go. Wow.
I don't know, man. That was bad there. Wow. That moved everything around.
Relocated us just a little bit.
That was a fish. Yeah. Show that on camera then. Tangled everything up.
What we got? Oh, it's catfish.
Catfish.
Catfish fever.
I think he's been eating on that a while.
I believe he has. He's a catfish now. Be gentle. That wasn't me that threw that fish in.
Oh, a big old white bass. Another one of you. A hybrid. That's what hit that lure a while ago. Yay!
Damn!
Oh, you're killing me. You're killing me, son.
Oh, it's all
Oh, you're up here getting me. You're just swinging that around. It's just... Don't move. Please don't move.
I want a picture this time.
Crappie? No, that's
a crappie.
That's a keeper crappie.
There
Well,
you go.
yeah, that's a slab.
Let's get a good picture of you with a crappie.
Yeah. Bring him right through there.
Got it?
Another slab.
Damn!
Whoa! Let's weigh that one.
Yeah, glad you brought the scales. I'll get a minute. Y'all handle that. I mean, get another one back in the magic spot. Don't trip over that, brother.
Yep, let's get a picture. What'd you get there?
I looked down there and I was like, I started counting bobber.
How you getting
Another
hung
big
up?
I was like, we're
keeper.
missing a bobber.
Another big key. That's probably big one of the day, it looks like. You get another, you got to let the hook come out?
Yeah.
Let me get it.
All right.
Got another one up there?
This is a knife. This is a really nice.
Get your hand on him and reel him in. Look at that one. You have caught some beautiful specks today.
Oh, it's a nice one. In the boat.
Here we go.
That might be one of the bigger ones.
That's probably big. That looks big.
We got a damn mess. You made a mess, you little bastard. I think he's over a pound.
Oh, he choked it. They're eating. They're hungry. You're in. Oh, another keeper crappie. Another keeper crappie.
Another eating fish.
What's for dinner?
That's what's for dinner. Another keeper crappie.
Oh, might be pretty big depending on that one.
No, we're getting fresh. Another keeper
Look,
crappie.
he's still flapping.
He's gonna get. You gotta measure him, Hiram. I'm tired.
We can't get the other ones relined fast enough. Hiram keeps catching them so fast.
Yep, I'm trying to fix a rod and he keeps it. Hold it down there, let me see. Well, hold it down.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh,
that's
no.
right.
Easy. Play it. What do you got? What do you got? Hiram's got a big one. What you got there, buddy? big
Oh,
old
big
Hiram.
Wow, that's a nice big one. Hold that one up too. I want to get a good picture of that.
That one. Easy, easy, easy. Lighter. They always
Welcome
easy.
aboard, buddy.
Easy, easy. Alright, we're going to take it to the house for today. We ended up having a pretty good day speck fishing, or crappie fishing for everybody else. Yes, Hiram, it was not a crappy day. How many did you bring in the boat, Hiram?
20 in the boat, 2 went home.
Yep, 20 in the boat, 2 were too short. We lost several today, but great day of crappie fishing. So we're going to, yeah, we still got some rods out, but we're getting ready to wind it up. We're going to go to the house, and I think I'm going to fillet all these fish, and we're going to eat them tonight. What do you think, Lindy? Crappie tonight? It's going to be a crappie day and crappie night. So I think we're headed to the Small Water Charters Bar and Grill, and we're going to play a little pool and fry a little fish. I'm having a few beers. I'm going to have some sweet tea. Mama's going to have one of her daiquiris, and just going to hang out this evening. Tomorrow, we're going to go try to get Hirams' first peacock bass.
Gary Brown's secret sauce with our crappie dinner.
No. Ain't nothing crappy about it.
Small Water Charters does it right.
Yes, we do.
I got that.
Stay on it, Hiram. See how they pull?
Good go. Damn!
We told you they're pulling.
Damn!
Stay on it. Oh, that's a nice one. Holy crap, Hiram. Holy crap, Hiram. Oh, stay on, dude. Look at you. Oh my God, you got the biggest peacock we've had out of here, dude.
Wow.
Holy crap, Hiram. You got a trophy freaking peacock.
Is that a big one?
That's a big one. We'll weigh it. Oh, let me get it.
High five, Hiram. Look at
Dude,
that.
that's a great one. Hold on, he wiggles. You got to hold him.
Oh, I ain't got my thumb. Yeah.
Let me hold.
Put him on that grill. Put him on that
Let
grill.
me get the scale. Hang on, let me get away from you. Hang on.
I got it.
354. We gotta get your pictures. All right. Did it pull?
Oh, hell yeah.
They fight, don't they? All right, you want to put her in the water?
Yeah.
Let's get a pretty release here. Don't do it too quick. Let Lindy get over to the camera.
Got it?
Yep, let her go. All right, I'm gonna back us out.
That's a good one. Another bird fish. Bird bass.
And see, with you catching on me getting back out of the way. Yeah, it's pretty strong.
Strong fish.
Yeah.
Damn. They're stout.
They're stout.
They're on steroids.
Yeah. That's a fight of her.
Work you damn drag. Look at that damn rod bend.
Yeah.
Damn.
Scoop this one there.
That's a damn good.
Oh, it is another good one. Look at you. you, Hiram.
That's another 3 pounds.
That's another 3 pounds. Ow. Ow, easy guy. There you go.
Flip.
Good shot. Another nice.
Try to go that way,
That's
away from the
like
sun.
that, yeah.
What?
I was gonna say try to go the other way, away from the sun.
Get a tree. Get him in the boat, Hiram. Good job.
Yes, yes.
Get them largemouth. They ain't no fun.
We've done spoiled Hiram.
He's done peacock master.
Yeah, I want to get a good picture again too.
He's just feisty, nice one though. Looky there.
Number 5 peacock.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Careful now, he's gonna flip that hook, remember. Careful. Well, that worked. Get a good picture. That's 5 peacock for today. Mama's got a peacock on. Oh my goodness. Oh baby, let me get the net.
That's a big bird bass.
That's a big bird bass. That's the biggest peacock in the boat.
Then you got pissed off. Hey,
Hang on.
I temporarily had the record.
Yep, you temporarily had the record.
For what? 1 hour?
Now get us away from this. We gotta get the scale. That's a jumbolina.
That's 4 pounds.
Wow.
That's every bit a 4-pounder.
And very little markings.
Yeah, let's get it.
Very little markings.
Look at the size of that peacock. Wow.
Those pretty red eyes.
See what you got there, baby.
Fluked him. She fluked his ass.
392. That's the biggest peacock in the boat yet.
We caught two over 3 pounds.
Yeah. Let's get a picture, a pretty picture of you with that, Lindy. Great fish, Lindia. Okay, we are closing out our peacock trip. Today was Hiram's 3rd day with us. This is his last fishing trip till next time he comes. Did you have a good time, Hiram?
Oh, yeah.
Even though you brought the chilly weather and the wind? Yeah.
It's nice today, though.
It's windy. It's real windy.
It got a little warmer because we came a little further south for a reason.
Yes, we came down here and Hiram caught 5 peacocks.
Boom, 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 right off the bat.
And Mama caught a real nice peacock. But I think these guys are ready for us to go. Are you daggum iguanas ready for us to get out of your bedroom? All right. Well, we're going to take it to the house. Hiram, what you got to say till next trip?
South Florida kicks ass.
South Florida kicks ass and what?
Small water charter.
Small water charters. That's right. We will hook you up. Tell them, Lindy.
Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And come join us